Hi everyone, this is Uncle Kevin. Today I would like to encourage you to start investing today, not tomorrow. Have you developed a savings habit? Are you saving money every month? Do you know that by consistently investing money every month, you are going to reap the rewards in the long term? Before I start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel below and click that notification bell so that you will get my latest episode on personal finance topics. Investing is not a short-term game like a 100-meter sprint, but rather a long-term game like a 42-kilometer marathon. I would like to use two real-life client examples to demonstrate how you will reap rewards in the long run. Zane is 43 years old. 10 years ago, when he was 33, he had a financial planning meeting with me. He wanted to invest for his child's education. At that time, I advised him to take up a Discovery Invest endowment plan, 1,000 Rand per month, with the contribution increasing at CPI inflation rate every year. He started the investment on the 1st of April 2011. He has continued with the investment without fail. In year 10, his monthly contribution was 1,639 Rand. Now, 10 years later, at the beginning of April 2021, the investment plan value after deducting income tax is 223,000 Rands. The internal rate of return, IRR, is 8.39%. Now, internal rate of return is the net return received by the investor, net of fees, charges, and taxes. So over the 10-year period, Zane has received an average 8.39% return per annum, which is a good return. The second client, Ken, is now 49 years old. 10 years ago, when he was 39, he also had a financial planning meeting with me about the same time. And he wanted to invest for long term. At that time, I advised him to take up a Discovery Invest endowment plan, 1,000 Rands per month, with the contribution increasing also at CPI inflation rate every year. In year 10, his monthly contribution was 1,639 Rands. Now, 10 years later, at the beginning of April 2021, the investment plan value after deducting income tax is 202,000 Rands. The internal rate of return, IRR, is 7.13%. There are 3 points I would like to focus on. Number one, it is important to save and invest money and invest consistently. You should have a savings goal and invest money every month. If you can develop such discipline, you can use a flexible investment product like unit trusts. If you lack such discipline, then use a long-term investment vehicle like endowment plan or retirement annuity with a monthly debit order to force you to invest. 2. Start today. Don't procrastinate. In all my financial planning sessions with clients, I always highlight the importance of savings and investing. I would like to nudge them into action. Once you start, the momentum builds and the investment just goes. Before you know it, you will have 200,000, 300,000 Rands in an investment account. Many years ago, a client signed up 2 investment plans for her 2 children's education. She told me that if she had listened to me 5 years earlier and started such investment plans, it would have been easier and they would have reaped the rewards sooner. So, start today. Don't wait for another month or another year. 3. Why does Zane start at the same time as Ken have a 10.7% higher value of 223,000 Rands compared to Ken, 202,000 Rands? Both have fund allocation of 80% Discovery Balance Fund and 20% in Discovery Global Multi-Asset Fund or Global Balance Fund. These funds are managed by 91, formerly Investec Asset Management, and have above average returns compared to funds in their respective sectors. The reason lies in the power of Discovery's integration mechanism. Zane has a Discovery Life policy, enjoys a 60% as and when investment integrator, which means he saves 60% on investment fees and charges. Ken does not have a Discovery Life policy, so he does not qualify for as and when investment integrator. Instead, he qualifies for 55% fee payback benefit at the end of a 10-year term. So this shows that for someone with a Discovery Life policy, it is more advantageous to invest long-term in a Discovery Invest endowment plan. It boosts your annualized return by 1.26%. I hope this episode helps you. Start investing today. Don't wait another day. Speak to a certified financial planner to help you start the journey. If you like this episode, please click the thumbs up below. Thank you for your support. Till next time. Bye.